What if the most luxurious car in the world isn't actually the smartest luxury car to buy? The 2027 Rolls-Royce lineup represents the highest level of automotive luxury, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. But with that luxury comes an enormous price. So the real question is a Rolls-Royce actually worth the money, or are you mainly paying for the badge? Welcome back to the channel. From the moment you see a Rolls-Royce, there's no mistaking it. The iconic grille, long body, commanding stance, rear-hinged doors, and flawless finish give it a presence few cars can match. And personalization takes things even further. Owners can customize the paint, wheels, leather, wood, stitching, trim, and countless bespoke details. No two Rolls-Royces have to look the same. Inside, the experience becomes even more impressive. Handcrafted leather, premium wood, metal details, advanced technology, and incredibly quiet cabin insulation create an atmosphere that feels more like a private luxury lounge than a normal car. For rear passengers, executive-style seating can make long journeys feel like first-class travel. Technology is there too, including premium displays, navigation, advanced cameras, driver assistance, parking systems, and premium audio, but everything is designed to complement the luxury rather than dominate it. But how does it drive? Rolls-Royce isn't built to chase lap times, it's built for effortless performance. Powerful engines deliver smooth acceleration, while sophisticated suspension systems focus on comfort. The steering is light, and the entire driving experience feels calm, quiet, and incredibly refined. Of course, there are compromises. Fuel economy isn't impressive, maintenance can be expensive, and the enormous size can make crowded city streets and tight parking spaces difficult. And then comes the biggest issue, the price. A Rolls-Royce can begin in the mid-six-figure range, while high levels of customization can push the final price dramatically higher. And buying the car is only the beginning. Fuel, insurance, maintenance, tires, brakes, specialized servicing, and depreciation can all add significant ownership costs. So what about the competition? Bentley offers a more performance-focused experience. Mercedes-Maybach provides incredible luxury with more everyday practicality. Aston Martin emphasizes performance and dramatic design. But Rolls-Royce plays a different game. Its goal isn't to be practical, it's to deliver ultimate luxury and exclusivity. So, should you buy one? If you want extraordinary craftsmanship, unmatched personalization, incredible comfort, and the prestige of owning one of the world's most exclusive cars, a Rolls-Royce can make sense. But if you want fuel efficiency, affordable maintenance, practicality, or value for money, there are much better choices. Because you're not buying a Rolls-Royce to save money. You're buying it for the experience, craftsmanship, exclusivity, and status. And ultimately, that's what you're paying for, the Rolls-Royce experience. If you enjoyed this automotive breakdown, subscribe for more videos where we look beyond the badge and find out what expensive cars are really offering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.